Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for my second FabFitFun mystery bundle. I got the mystery bundle during the add-ons portion of FabFitFun. If you don't know FabFitFun, they're like a seasonal membership where you can sign up to get these boxes, and they're always awesome. I always get the best stuff in them. Now these are new to me. I just showed the first one a few days ago on my channel. They are mystery bundles. They go for $29, usually on the add-ons or seasonal sale portions. And they're basically like items that they have either from previous add-ons or boxes. And they're supposed to retail around $100 or more for each bundle. So at $29, that's kind of a bargain. And I've watched a few videos now opening these, so I thought I'd make some of my own since I was so curious about the bundles. Here is the bundle number. I've seen others show this number, so I guess I should show it too. So other than that, let's get on with the show. If I can get in the bag. Not so tricky for me sometimes. Okay. So let's get into these goodies. First item up is the Restore Hot and Cold Therapy Kit. This normally retails for around $15. They're kind of roller therapy balls. I've used these before at physical therapy. And these ones are nice. They can be heated or they can be made cold for extra therapy purposes. Probably not my cup of tea, but I'll put it on my eBay page. Next up, we have here a jewelry portfolio. And it's basically like a large jewelry wallet where you can store your jewelry for travel. I probably won't be keeping this, although I do love jewelry, as you all well know, but I do already have some organizers for it, so I don't really need another one right now. So this will likely be going on my eBay page as well. So if anyone's interested, I'll link that page down below. And those usually go for $48. Next is the Ish bronzer brush. It's the deluxe bronzer brush and it usually goes for around $15. I actually kept this one myself because I thought it was a really nice brush and I don't have one exactly that size, and I think it'll work out perfect for my highlighter. So I went ahead and I tossed that into my beauty bag. Then just here's what it looks like close up. Like it. Next up we have some products from Way of Will. They seem to have a really interesting product line. I went and checked out all their items because these ones intrigued me. There is a nice bottle of toner, and those usually retail for $35. We have a deodorant, and this one is in tea tree and pumpkin seed scent. It's made of 100% natural oils, and they retail for $12.75. And then there's also a facial spray, and that facial spray is peppermint and lemon, which sounds really refreshing, and that usually retails for around $19. Overall, I think the quality of these products are really nice. They're not all exactly my cup of tea, but when I buy things like this, I usually either put them in my gifting box, as I mentioned before in my last video, or on eBay, and I always find a home for them either way. Well, thanks so much for checking out my channel. and for stopping by today. Like I said, I will have those links in the video description below if you're interested for the eBay page and for my FabFitFun. Other than that, I hope you have a really great day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Take care.